Welcome to JH. Today, we'll cover how to archive your PayPal payments. Whether you are tidying up your transaction history or just want to keep your account organized, archiving is a great way to streamline your account management. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and visiting the PayPal site. Once there, locate and click the Login button on the main page to access your account. Type in your registered email and password, making sure everything is correct for a quick sign-in. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Go to the top navigation bar and select the Activity tab. This section displays your full transaction history, much like a digital bank statement for all your sent and received funds. Within the Activity area, use the drop-down menu to select All Transactions. This provides a complete list of your financial activity. To keep things manageable, it's helpful to archive older entries that are no longer needed. Scroll through the list to find the specific payment you want to hide. You can use search filters or search options to find it more efficiently if your list is long. Once you have located the transaction, click on it to open the full details. With the details visible, look for the Archive option and click it. This moves the payment into an archived state, removing it from your main view while keeping it available for future reference. That's it. Archiving on PayPal is a simple way to declutter your records while keeping important data accessible. You can always find these items later by adjusting your search filters. Thanks for watching this guide on archiving PayPal payments. We hope this helps you stay organized. See you in the next tutorial.